In this session, we are going to discuss about textbook exercise of materials, metals and non-metals. Which of the following can be beaten into thin sheet? Zinc, phosphorus, sulfur, oxygen. Zinc is a metal, phosphorus non-metal, sulfur non-metal, oxygen non-metal. Which the metal can convert into thin sheet. This property is known as malleable. Here zinc is the only metal, then answer is zinc because it is a metal. Which of the following statement is correct? All metals are ductile, all non-metals are ductile, generally metals are ductile, some non-metals are ductile. All metals are ductile, we cannot say that because some metals like sodium, mercury, they are not ductile. All non-metals are ductile, it's a wrong statement. Non-metals are not ductile. Generally metals are ductile, that can be true because it is not a particular statement, it is general statement. Some metals are not ductile, but most of the metals are ductile. Some non-metals are ductile. No, it's also wrong statement. It is a right statement. Generally metals are ductile. Sodium is a metal which is not ductile. Mercury is liquid metal which is not ductile. Fill in the blanks. Phosphorus is very dash non-metal. It is a reactive non-metal. It is a very reactive non-metal. Metals are dash conductors of heat and dash. Good conductors of heat and electricity. Good conductors of heat and electricity. Iron is dash reactive than copper. More reactive than copper. Metals react with acid to produce hydrogen gas. Mark T if the statement is true and F if the statement is false. Generally, non-metals are reactive with acids. Non-metals won't react with acid. It is a wrong statement, false. Sodium is very reactive metal. It's a true statement. Sodium is very reactive metal. Because of that, it is keeping under kerosene. Copper displaces zinc from zinc sulfate solution. Copper is less reactive than zinc. Copper cannot displace zinc from zinc sulfate. It's a false statement. Coal can be drawn into wires. Coal is a non-metal. It cannot be drawn into wires. False statement. Some properties are listed in the following table. Distinguish between metal and non-metals on the basis of these properties. Appearance. Metals, it is lustrous. Non-metals, dull. Hardness. Metals are hard. Non-metals are soft. Malleability. Malleable. Non-metals are not malleable. Ductility. Metals are ductile. Non-metals are not ductile. Heat conduction. Good conductor of heat. Bad conductor of heat. Conduction of electricity. Good conductor of electricity. Bad conductor of electricity. Give reasons for the following. Aluminum foils are used to wrap food items. Aluminum is a metal, right? We can convert this metal into thin sheet. Aluminum foils can be used to wrap food items. Immersion rods for heating liquids are made up of metallic substances. These are the immersion rod. This part is metal because metals are good conductors of heat. Copper cannot displace zinc from its salt solution. Copper is less reactive than zinc, right? Copper is less reactive than zinc, so it cannot displace zinc from its salt solution. Sodium and potassium are stored in kerosene. Sodium and potassium, they are highly reactive metals. We need to keep it under kerosene only because it will react with air as well as water. Sodium and potassium are highly reactive. They will react with water as well as air. So we are keeping it under kerosene. Can you store lemon pickle in aluminum utensil? Explain. No. Lemon is acidic in nature. So it will react with aluminum to produce hydrogen. It will spoil the pickle. So we cannot keep lemon pickle in aluminum utensil. In the following table, some substances are given in column 1. In column 2, some uses are given. Match the items in column 1 with those in column 2. Gold. Which one is the right one? Jewelry, right? Iron. Machinery. Aluminium. Wrapping food. Carbon. Fuel. Copper. Electric wire. Mercury. Thermometer. Mercury used in thermometer. It's the right answer.